Still a few more raspberries left. We had so many we couldn't keep up with picking them. And the tree lilies are back here blooming away. How big those are. The tree lilies are back here blooming away. The air is just filled with perfume. Look at this one here. Still got strawberries coming on. That was very good. This is asparagus in here. Oh, and here's another strawberry. In our garden path, we put down any organic material we pick up in other places. Like here, we're taking up some of the lilies and digging them up. And so they're all back here. I'm pulling up morning glories. This looks like a seed here. Huh. All kinds of flowers blooming in here. Are going to be. Here's all these tree lilies. These here are now getting taller than me. Seems like they get taller every year and bigger with more blooms. Wow. And here, these flowers I planted from seed last year. There's black-eyed Susans and wild garden phlox over there. I'm thinking next year I'd like to dig up some of these and put them out front. And there's a sunflower seed. I don't know if there was a package of, in the package of wildflowers, if there was a sunflower or not, but look at that. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I have so much mulch here that things are easy to pull up. These are Delphiniums, and these are Equilegia, and these are California Poppies. Here's more Delphiniums. There's quite a few Delphiniums in here. This is Forget-Me-Not. And these are pink poppies. There's some more Delphiniums down there. There's Delphiniums right here. Here's a bunch of flower seeds I started. This row of Delphiniums, I don't think any of those came up. And the Canterbury bells either. Oh, here's some of them right here. I think they probably need some water. And there's a bunch of lupines that came up. And hollyhocks. There's Sweet William come up there. These are carrots. Bunching onions. Hollyhocks. Here's some more from when we were digging up the daylilies out front. Here's tomatoes, zinnias, some peppers. Oh, there's a nice big pepper there. I can't see what that is. Oh, cornflowers. I recognize them. This is a weed. That's a weed. There's more right here. I got cucumbers, or either cucumbers or cantaloupe growing in here. This is clover. This is zinnias right here. I think it's a, I don't know, a tree of some sort. And this bean's growing up the pole there. And here's chives, got big bunches there. This is tomatoes, a bunch of tomatoes in here. So I got a little bit of everything here in my backyard garden. Asparagus and strawberries and cucumbers and chives. Here's a lone dill plant right there. I don't know what kind of flower this is. It's a morning glory. So if you like my backyard garden, can you please subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.